Hey folks, radar has gone quiet across deep South Texas tonight. That a good thing. We still have the flood warning in effect. It's been extended until 8:15 tomorrow morning. May go beyond that. There's still an awful lot of flooding in that area, as you've been hearing about, and a lot of it's not going to be gone by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, so likely it could be extended. Here at our studios today, we just had a little bit of rain, 11/100ths of an inch, so we're up to 8.41 for the month. That's way above normal, and 15.68 for the year, so we're now well above normal for the year as well. Other parts of the valley saw a little bit more. Doppler estimates about an inch in parts of McAllen with that stuff that came through late this afternoon, early this evening. Future track suggests the night is quiet, but during the daytime tomorrow, isolated showers show up again. Spotty stuff, probably even less active than today, but there'll probably be a shower or two in the area, so don't be surprised if you need those windshield wipers, but we don't think it's the kind that makes the flooding worse. Just may make it take just a little longer to run off if you add just a little bit more to the mix. Going to Friday, same kind of day. Partly to mostly sunny, but then spotty showers show up during the afternoon. And even Saturday. Saturday's probably, if there's one day out of the next 7 that doesn't see much, it might be Saturday. But even at that, could be a spotty shower around then. So our chances of rain go from about 20% tomorrow to less than 10% Friday and Saturday. So there'll be stuff around, but very, very isolated. Much more miss than hit. Bigger picture tonight shows how the rain is kind of spread across the Texas coast. The stuff that was around Houston that was here on Monday has continued moving northward and out of here. Upper air disturbance is still kind of hanging out in the area, but it will lift away and fade away. But as soon as it does that, there's another upper level trough. Let's call it an inverted trough. Actually, the wind goes up and over that one, moving into the Gulf. Now, as long as we're on the west side of it, it's not bad. It's a relatively dry side. But once this gets on top of us or off to the west of us, which will probably happen Sunday into Monday, then that wind flow coming off the Gulf and the upper levels of the atmosphere will feed lots and lots of tropical moisture in here. When that happens, the rain chances are going to go up. Probably starting Sunday night, but then it just keeps going up Monday into Tuesday, into Wednesday. Pretty good shot at rain in the middle of next week. Still some missing temperatures on our map tonight, but otherwise we're in the 80s valley-wide. Overnight, we bottom out in the upper 70s, except on the island in Brownsville, about 80. And then tomorrow, we're climbing back up in the 90s again, 94 to about 96 across the area, 93 to 96, except at the beach, about 88 there. Normal high is 95. We should be right at that through the next 3 days, 94, 95, and 95. So your first 1-5 accurate weather forecast for tonight, 78, mostly cloudy with just a leftover isolated shower, but I think for the most part they're gone. Don't expect anything more tonight. Tomorrow, an isolated showers possible during the afternoon, primarily under partly sunny skies back in the mid-90s. So we're 94 tomorrow, then a couple of 95s with partly sunny skies. As you go through the weekend, here comes the moisture again, and by next week, pretty good chance for showers and thunderstorms by the time you get to Tuesday and Wednesday. That's your updated first 1-5 forecast. We'll be back right after the break.